Hello student, this is class 9th science chapter 4 and part 10. In this video we will discuss the types of valency. First is electrovalency and second is covalency. First, electrovalency. It is the valency that is attaining by losing and gaining of electron. First example, in case of sodium, electrovalency means negative and positive valency. Losing of electron means positive electron. Gaining of electron is a negative electrovalency. First example, in case of sodium. Sodium has 11 electrons. So electronic configuration of sodium is 281. To complete octet, sodium requires 7 electrons in M cell, which is a very difficult process. Now the second option of sodium is loss of 1 electron, which is a very easy process. So loss of electron takes place in case of sodium. So loss of electron and the electronic configuration is 28, which is a very stable configuration due to complete octet of sodium positive ion. So electrovalency of sodium is +1, plus for losing of 1 electron. So the electrovalency of sodium is +1. Note the first points is for losing of electron the valency will be positive. For gaining of electron the electrovalency will be negative. Electrovalency. Second example, in case of magnesium 12. Magnesium 12 electronic configuration of magnesium 12 is 282. In magnesium, M cell contain 2 electron. Loss of 2 electron is a very easy process in magnesium 12 because gaining of 6 electron is very difficult process. So loss of 2 electron takes place in magnesium 12. So loss of 2 electron takes place in magnesium 12. So loss of 2 electron is represented as magnesium 12. So it losses 2 electron and electronic configuration is 28. So electrovalency of magnesium 12 will be +2. Next, third example is Cl17. Cl17 has electronic configuration 287. It contains 7 electron in M cell. So gain of 1 electron is a very easy process and the loss of 7 electron is a very difficult process. So gain of 1 electron takes place in Cl17 to attain the octet. So Cl17 gain 1 electron to form Cl negative. Cl negative electronic configuration is 288. So it completes its octet, Cl atoms octet. So electrovalency of chlorine will be -1 because it gain 1 electrons. Next, in case of oxygen 8, in case of oxygen 8, oxygen 8's electronic configuration is 2 6. So it requires 2 electron to complete octet. Because the gaining of 2 electron in case of oxygen is very easy process, and loss of 6 electron is a very difficult process in oxygen. So oxygen 8 gain 2 electrons, as it gain 2 electron, and its configuration is oxygen to 2 negative ion. So 2 8 is the electronic configuration of oxygen 2 negative. So electrovalency of oxygen is 2 negative. In this case 2 negative is the valency because it gain to 2 electron to complete oxygen atoms octet. The topic is electrovalency. I mean the positive valency and negative valency. Valency and negative valency. The first is positive valency, when loss of electron takes place. Loss of electrons takes place. Where loss of electron takes place. Negative valency means where gain of electron takes place. Where gain of electrons, where gain of electron takes place. Suppose loss of electron where outermost shell contain 1 2 3 electron. Loss of electron takes place when outermost shell contain 1 2 3 electron. Next, gain of electron takes place where outermost shell contain 5 6 7 electron. Suppose in case of sodium, sodium's atomic number is 11. I mean 11 electrons are present in sodium atom, 281. So in sodium atom 1 electron is the outermost electron. So the electrovalency of sodium atom is when outermost shell contain 1 2 3 electron. So loss of electron takes place in this case. So the electrovalency is plus 1 in this case, because 1 is the outermost shell's electron in sodium atom. In case of magnesium 12, it contains 2 electron in outermost shell. So its electrovalency is plus 2. In case of aluminium, it contains 3 electron in outermost shell, so its valency is plus 3. Its electrovalency is plus 3. In case of negative electrovalency, first Cl17 287, it contains 7 electron in outermost shell, so gain of electron takes place in case of Cl17. So its valency, so it requires 1 electron to complete octet. So 7 minus 8 is equal to minus 1 is the covalency, is the electrovalency of Cl17. In case of oxygenate, it contains 6 electrons in outermost shell, so its electrovalency 6 minus 8 is equal to minus 2. In case of nitrogen 7, it contains 5 electrons in outermost shell, so its electrovalency is 5 minus 8 is equal to minus 3. Whereas in case of when outermost shell contains outermost shell, I mean valence shell, it is also called valence shell. Outermost shell contains 4 electron, so its electrovalency will be 4 negative and 4 negative or 4 plus.